Hello everybody, this is McDaniel from Death Trooper Productions, and today I have a bit more different video for you all. It's not Star Wars related, but it is Lego related and weapon related, I guess. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Balisong, which I'm not very good at right now. Since, it's really close. There. So this is a custom one I made, and I think it looks cool, so I'm gonna open it real quick. It looks like a little sword, like a dagger, and I tried to make it as symmetrical as possible. That's not counting the color scheme that I chose to do. And yeah. So all you really need are two of these tan loose Technic pins and a blue Technic pin that's the same size that can cover 3 of these, and you'll need 2 of these 1x3 Technic pieces. You need 2 of them, and about 3 of these 1 by 15 or 16 or whatever, those ones. And the pieces that you need, and in a bit more detail. So these, one just fell. Gonna need that. Here it is. Would you stop it? I'm so mad. 2 of these. 3 of these. Not necessarily with the plates on them, but it's just how I made it, and let's get building. There you go. Just need a few Technic pins and some Technic support things, and maybe some plates and bricks to go with that, and that's how you make one. See you all in the next video. Bye.